In this video, we are talking about Crypto.com new thing, UpDowns. It is a game changer, in my opinion. It's going to take the company to the next level. No other app is doing this right now. Trading options with crypto. This is what's going on. This is what's happening. Make sure you guys hit the good old subscribe button, like button, all that good stuff. Look like I gotta read this myself. Prices may fall, but your profits doesn't have to. Introducing UpDown Options with Crypto.com. UpDown Options are your first step into the world of derivative trading, which derives from the value of the underlying asset of Bitcoin. With UpDown contracts, you can profit from the movement of digital assets. Trade UpDowns, not the coin. Why should you trade UpDowns? All UpDown contracts cost a fraction of the actual digital price. You know, for example, if you have a $2,000 Bitcoin and you can have $20,000, and if it go up to $20,200, you're gonna make $200, right? But if you only want to put $100 into it, you're going to possibly make only $2 because it's like fraction trading. You can also put stop loss, and you have an expiration date when it come down to it. I'm freestyling a little bit on this part because I know it, and I'm going to break down exactly how it works afterwards. But you can do a target price or a stop price. It automatically settle and lock in your profit loss. Also, you can choose your position before any of the above happen. UpDowns also define your risk. You will always know the maximum profit loss up front, so you'll never lose more than what you put in. Lastly, the ability to short sell when the underlying and asset price drop helps you buffer against the price dips on the coins that you hold in your crypto wallet. For instance, if you think the underlying value of Bitcoin will go under a certain amount, you can use UpDowns for your protection. And I'm going to break that down soon. Get into the actions. First, you do your own research to figure out what you like, what you don't like with the coin. Second, you select your UpDown contract. This is where you can decide how much money you want to risk. Third, you pick the number of contracts do you want. Do you want one contract? Do you want 5? Do you want 10? You have options. It's like trading options on like Robinhood. So the lowest price contract has the highest maximum profit, but also the greatest risk of hitting it because it's going to be harder to actually do it. So the more you can possibly make money, the harder the risk when it comes down to it. Start trading options with UpDown today. We have a lot to unpack. First question is, Orlando, why would I ever trade options? Why do I need to do that? First thing, let's give an example. You are a crypto holder. You are planning to hold crypto long term. So let's say you have one Bitcoin. That's the only thing you got is one Bitcoin. Right now, the price of one Bitcoin is we're just going to say $25,000. You got $25,000 worth of Bitcoin. Everything is doom and gloom, and people is saying shit about to hit the fan, and it's about to go back down to 15,000 levels. Now, you don't want to sell your Bitcoin. You want it to go up to 100K. You want it to get all the way up here. That's why you got this one Bitcoin. But you're hearing that it might drop back down to 15,000. That means if you sell right now, you possibly saving $8,000. But you don't want to sell. You want to hold. So what do? You buy a put contract, basically saying, look, all right, I'm about to put X amount of dollars saying Bitcoin will go to $18,000 by this date. If it go to that date, so say right now is right here. If it go down to 24,000, you make a little bit of money. You go to 23,000, you make more money. As the price go down, you make money because you are betting that the market go down. It go down to that price, you gonna make, let's say you make $8,000. What happens if the price go up? Two things. The first thing is you lose that money on that contract because you bet they will have I forget what the word they will use for it. They might change the word, but they will basically say, look, a liquidation price. If Bitcoin go to 27,000, you lose the $2,000 you put in this contract. So if it go to 27,000, you lose that money. If it go under, you're good. Now the thing is, since you own Bitcoin, you're not mad if it go to 27,000 because you're gonna go up 2 or 3,000. You kind of get the mindset now. You want it to go up, but just in case it go down, it's insurance, and vice versa. If you feel it's about to go up, you can have a quick come up to buy in on crypto. Let me give you guys an example. This is Robinhood. If you own Robinhood, let's say we take Apple stock, and we feel Apple stock is about to go up. So what we are doing is trade Apple options. We are buying a call option. Call mean it's going to go up. Put mean it's going to go down. See, red, green. We see Apple stock right now is at $154. We saying it's going to go to $170. Let's say by the end of this month. We see 170 right here. So they're like, okay, if we say it's going to go 170 and you see the date that says expiring, we're going to say March 31st. Now, here go the price change. We need it to change 11%, go higher. To break even, we need it to go 9%. And this is the price they're asking. So this is their quote-unquote contracts. That's one contract. And now they like, look, here go your max loss, because we're doing it for $10 or whatever the price we do it is, because it's 10 cents. They're like, look, the max profit is unlimited, because to say it shoots to $200, you're going to make some good money. Max loss, only $10. And I'm not about to add it, because that's one contract. Say we had 10 contracts. It cost me $100 to get 10 contracts because it's at 10 cents. And they're saying it's not about to do that. The reason it's this price because they know it's more than likely Apple stock. If we look at Apple stock right now. Apple. The odds of Apple stock going to 170 by the end of the month is possible. But they like, nah. Now, the higher the likelihood, the more it's going to cost. So let's take this off. And let's say it's going to be at 155. Now look at the price. It's easy for it to do that because it's already basically there. So now for a contract, it's going to cost me $365 for one contract because it's more higher to do it. That's kind of how options work, and that's how it's going to work on crypto.com. I don't have it available on my app yet. Let me know when you guys get it available. Is it going to be on the app? How it's going to work? So what I'm going to probably do is, because it's trade consistently, I will probably start promoting the Patreon again and show all the Patreon members what trades I do once it's opened up. You guys sign up for that if you want. It's going to be interesting. It's good. It's a good way to hedge the market when it is going up or it's going down, and to be able to make some good money to buy in on crypto. So say if you got $10,000, we like, we need to make $14,000 for you to get whole Bitcoin. You got to make smart moves. Like me right now, I trade on MEXC. And you guys can sign up for that link in the bio. Actually, I don't want to log in on myself. But I trade over here. So y'all see me doing trades. This is where I do it at. I prefer to do it on crypto.com because, I get more money over there. And weird charts, but I'll help you guys out with that. I'm not no expert, but I know a little something. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Talk to y'all soon.